everyone, it's Miracle and welcome back to Mind of a Miracle. I'm a little bit tired. It's like 3,000 degrees in my house and we have an old house and without central air, so I'm sweating. It's hot. We are featuring the brand Asoph and do a little haul. And I included some pieces that I already had, so you guys can see the diversity that they include on their website. Okay, so here we are, and be prepared for some fires. Do I look pleased? Oh my goodness, I love this dress. It is breathtaking. Look at the flow. Oh my goodness. Isn't she lovely? I love this dress. I almost want to say it's like a tulle-like material. It's a little, it has some stretch in the waistband, has some spandex, but everywhere else there's no give. So be sure to get the appropriate size. I believe this one is in a size 3X. Okay. In any case, the only complaint that I have is very sheer. You can see everything. Down to my shapewear, you can see everything. So I wish they actually included like some inner lining or at least a slip, but they made it useful again by including pockets. Can't find the other one, but it's in here somewhere, but there's one right here, pockets. Olay! So this dress is a little bit loud. It is a black neoprene type material dress. The spandex is real tight, so if you ain't wearing no shapewear, fam, you just gonna be out there. It's gonna suck you in by itself. I don't really know, but I love it. Another Bodycon. I like this one because it offsets my assets by creating some weight on the lower portion of my body. And since I am pear shape, I like the fact that these little sleeve things add some weight up my bust, so we have some proportion going on. Gives the illusion of some sort of hourglass effect. In any case, it does well to cover up my back fat, so I'm a fan of that. And yeah, I think it's very flattering on me. You guys will let me know. Rip me to shreds if you have to. I don't really care because I feel good. I can't really sit down in this dress, so that's the only sucky part. Another thing, I accidentally, in my brute self, I accidentally ripped off the sleeves of the dress. But I think it's a good, little transition thing. Want to stun on you? Add some little bell sleeves. Flavor, or take it off completely and then have this nice silhouette with some weight at the bottom. Very pretty, very sophisticated, very glamorous. Get it. Truth be told, I don't actually remember ordering this specific design. I remember this color, but I envisioned something totally different. I'm not sure how I feel about this because this isn't what I thought it was going to be. So there's that. But for what it is, I guess it's cute. It has this mock wrap. It has a actual functioning switchable waist band sash thing. It comes off the shoulders, so showcase a little sex appeal. And then 360. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm not really feeling it. I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to keep it. I think I'm more so disappointed about the fact that this is not what I thought it was going to be. But in any case, the color I am a fan of. It's very vibrant blue, very summer, spring. Yes, I like it. As far as the color goes, I think I would pair this with like a wide brimmed hat, some big sunglasses, and then just play into the whole stereotype of what this looks like somebody would wear. The type of person who would wear this, because I don't know if this is necessarily my style. I really thought it was something else. So, I'm sorry, I really have to sneeze. I have like serious hay fever, so I'm trying my best here, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm like super congested. I can't even get my mind around it. I'm so disappointed at the fact that this dress didn't work out, that I didn't even bother to finish buttoning it up. Oh my goodness. The gapping is real right here. My lower stomach and my behinds ruined everything for me. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be fitting into this just yet, but I love this piece, guys. Everywhere else feels comfortable, like on my arms. I have some room over here. The button sleeve, it does not reach to my full wrist, but I don't mind it coming a little bit off of my wrist. But the color, the feel feel the vibe. I love it. The pockets, you know, placed with the left hand breast, the left pocket thing. I don't know, guys. I really wanted this to work out. I'm really sad about this stomach situation messing things up. I couldn't bother to, like, you know, button the rest of this up because it felt pointless. It really did. Yes, bam, yes. Okay, so after the last disappointment, this one almost disappointed me because it was a little bit tight down here. I could have went for a 3X, but they didn't have one, so I went and stretched for a 2X, and just a little less meat down here. A little less meat would be good for me because this is freaking amazing. The quality is stunning. It's very thick. There is some stretch in it. And, you know, it's stretched at the bottom, so it, like, kind of distorted the color a little bit, but not too much to where you think, like, girl, you're just too big for this. But in any case, 360. Because I'm heavier down here, it lifts up a bit. So there's nothing I can really do about that. But that's neither here nor there. I kind of stretch, I think when you measure me at my hips, I measure at like 58 inches, if that's helpful to you guys. My waist size is between the 36, 38, and my bust, I think it's like 47 or something. 57, 47, 47. All right, those are my measurements. They are changing because I'm forever gaining and losing weight. But yeah, I love this. I love this so much. I just feel like I'm stunting on everybody. It's like high contrast, and just look at this, you know, look at just what shall I I'm just so happy you guys enjoyed this, or rather stuck with me to the end of this video. I'm just burning alive. Like, I can't even think. I feel faint. My arm is all messed up, can't even hold myself up, so I just want to sit in this little crate thing, but I don't have the strength to get out of that. So in any case, this concludes this video. Yeah, this is Asoph. I really like this company. It's an up and coming, or rather, it's already came up, plus size and straight size company, but it caters really to plus size women. I see that there's more selection. Oh, I didn't even mention this. This little freaking fanny pack. It comes with a fanny pack. It's attached to the skirt, and it's functional. Could pull little doodads in here. Okay, the phone, your wallet, okay? I felt like it was necessary to mention this. And I don't know why this little clip come off. This is not like you can put it anywhere else, but it unclips, man. Where else is it supposed to go, man? Oh, guys, there's no actual other place to put. I guess you can do it around your butt, in the back, put the fanny, put the fanny pack by your fanny. Gross. That concludes this video, guys. Make sure you join me next week to see what other nonsense I get myself mixed into. If you guys have any recommendations, or you want to see me shop somewhere else, let me know in the comment section down below, because if you don't say anything, I don't know anything. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload something new. I really want to see you guys with me. I have a lot of fun doing these things, but I just need to know that people are riding with me. Shout out to my girl Nor. Shout out to my future husband. You guys have been riding with me every step of the way, and I really appreciate you too, okay? So, without further ado, or with further ado, please follow me on all forms of social media. Instagram is @precarious_mind. Snapchat is xmira.mirax. I'm like forgetting everything. I'm so tired. In any case, that's it, guys. That's all I have to offer for you, and I'll see you next time. Peace in the Middle East with chicken grease, okay?